So here are the bones from our butchered duck. We'll pat them dry so that they can brown properly, and it's important we take our time with this step as moisture is the enemy of browning. Now here's our vegetables we'll be including: a quartered onion, some garlic cloves, halved celery stalks, and largely chopped carrots. We'll add our duck bones, we'll then add some olive oil over top, and a generous amount of salt. I'll then begin to brush tomato paste on our duck bones, as well as our vegetables. We'll then thoroughly mix this together and spread evenly on our sheet tray. We'll roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. I'll remove from the oven and begin to place everything into a large stock pot. I'll then add some ice cold water over top, along with 1 bay leaf, some thyme, and rosemary. To remove the fond, I'll add some boiling water to our sheet tray and let that sit for a few minutes. Once the fond has softened, I can then scrape it off with a spatula. I'll then add that into our stock pot, and now we can bring this to a simmer. There'll be some foam that floats to the surface, and we can use a fine mesh strainer to remove. I also like to use my spoon ladle for this process. Once the foam is removed, I like to skim off any excess fat from the surface as well. And we want a really gentle simmer, as you can see from the activity of these bubbles here. We'll then gently simmer this for 4 hours. And once it reduces, you'll have some residue on the sides of the pot, which you'll want to scrape back down into the stock, as this is a form of fond and is super flavorful. We'll then pass this into a chinois over top a large bowl. With a ladle, we can now press the contents to remove every bit of liquid. And here's our beautiful roasted duck stock. We'll place into the fridge overnight with the cover left ajar. The next day, some of the fat should have solidified, but we did a good job already to skim off the excess fat as it was simmering. As you can see, there's a very thin layer of fat, very minimal, however, simply remove what you can. And here's our duck stock, gelatinous and ready for sauces, braises, and stews.